VGS National Public School in Bangalore. I am from Odisha and a disciple of Guru Prajna Mishra of the Nritya Dhara Foundation. My hobbies include dancing, painting and photography, out of which I prefer dancing. I like classical dance. In classical dance, I prefer Odissi. Odissi is a very graceful dance form. It includes many techniques of Odissi. Odissi also reveals the beauty of our Odia culture. We represent mythological stories of Lord Jagannath, Lord Krishna and Lourdes Durga and many other Hindu gods. I have always been involved in co-curricular activities, so this time I preferred Odissi when I moved to Bangalore. However, I started learning Odissi late, about 5 years ago, but it's due to my guru I have been enjoying this learning process of Odissi. Like I mentioned earlier, I have always been active in co-curricular activities. So when we moved to Bangalore, my passion towards dance enhanced when I joined my guru's classes. I am enjoying this process thoroughly. To answer the second question, yes, Odissi has brought change in me. I have overcome stage fright and now I am confident around people. The most memorable experience that I have had throughout my dance journey is that performing an item of Lord Krishna. It is a very energetic, enjoyable and a joyful item. I have learned everything that had happened in Lord Krishna's era. Earlier, I used to practice every day, but since now I'm in grade 10, my practice duration is less compared to holidays, yet I try to practice thrice a week. During holidays, I practice half an hour daily. I started skating at the age of 3. I've gone for several competitions in the district, state and national level. In national level, I have represented Maharashtra and won gold medal. Since we moved to Bangalore, there were no amenities for skating, so I picked up dance as a hobby. And it turned out to be my passion also. I like dance and I prefer dance as it brings my mind, body and soul together. My time during this lockdown is spent by online classes in the morning. In the afternoon, I finish my notes and homework. In the evening, I practice dance. No, I am not missing my Odissi classes as my guru conducts online classes regularly and these classes are very helpful. I like participating in dance competition more as I get to meet new people, I get to see the level of competition and I also get to judge myself. My preparation for both will be the same as either way round I have to give my best. When I don't win a competition, I don't get disappointed that easily as I have grown up as a sports person. I don't get dejected that easily as loss doesn't matter. What matters is participating. Now moving to the first question, handling studies and dance practice together, I would give the credit to my mother as she is very focused on time management and has helped me keep on track. inspired me the most are Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra and my Guru, Guru Prajna Mishra. Deciding about future plans is a long way now. The first thing that comes to my mind is to gain certification in this field. My message to young artists would be to practice harder and not to cut corners and enjoy thoroughly. Thank you.